Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Capital One Autopay and due date alerts, complete guide step by step clearly.
Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab on the home page. Select the specific credit card or account for which you want to set up Autopay. Scroll down to find the Payment Options section. Click on Set up Autopay. You will be prompted to choose your payment method. Select whether you wish to pay the minimum payment, the full balance, or a custom amount. Next, choose the frequency of your payments, such as monthly. Confirm the payment dates to ensure they align with your due date. Review the details of your Autopay setup to ensure everything is accurate. Once you are satisfied, click on Save to finalize the Autopay settings. To set up due date alerts, return to the Accounts tab. Locate the Alerts section of your account. Click on Manage Alerts to proceed. Select Payment Due Date Alerts from the list of available options. Choose how you would like to receive alerts, such as via email or text message. Set the timing for your alerts, specifying how many days before the due date you would like to be notified. After adjusting your alert preferences, click Save to confirm. Your Autopay setup is now complete, and you will receive alerts as per your preferences. Regularly check your account to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.